This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the layout of the screen on your Samsung phone. So if you want to change the layout, just hold down on the home screen here. Simply go to settings here. Now we have all these different options with the grid. So you get the home screen grid 4x6. Then you can change this around. You got 5x6. You can change it. So you only have two options, 5x6. So if you want to add more apps there, then we have the app screen grid, 5x6. And then we got the folder grid, 4x4. Then we got the home screen layout right here. We can tap this, home screen only, or home screen and app screen. So you can decide which one you want. Then let's go to this and just apply it. And you can see it has the app screen right there too. So it doesn't have any more home screens, it just has the app screen when I go over to the right. So you can just change the layout a little bit. Then if it's locked, you have the option to unlock it down here. But just go to settings and you should be able to see most of the options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.